Hey guys, welcome to our channel Learn Stocks PH. Today, in our first video, let's talk about the basics of the stock market and how to start investing in the stock market. This will be an easy and step-by-step guide for beginners. So guys, let's start. So before we proceed, let's discuss or define what are stocks. Stocks are also called shares or equities. These are basically portion of a company or like an ownership of a company. Like for an example, BDO has 1,000 shares available in the public and you buy, for example, 10 shares. But take note, in real stock exchange, there are millions or billions of shares. When you invest your money on a specific company, meaning you are already a shareholder, investor, or a part owner of the said company. Now, how stock market works. Everyone is familiar with a grocery or supermarket, right? A supermarket is a place where you can buy goods and all stuffs. This is the same with the stock market, but the difference is that in the stock market, people are buying and selling shares of companies. You are buying companies like Jollibee, Meralco, BDO, Ayala Corp, Ayala Land, PPI, SM, Globe, PLDT, and many more. These are just some of the companies you can invest your money in the Philippines. There are a lot of companies listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange which you can choose from. You can check all the listed companies on this link. So now, how can you earn in the stock market? There are two ways on how to earn in the stock market. First is through capital appreciation. It's the increase in the value of a share over a period of time. Like for an example, you buy a BDO share at 98 pesos per share. After a month, it went to 110 per share. If you buy 10,000 shares at 98 pesos per share, which is the total amount invested, is 980,000 less the fees. After a month, it will turn to 1,100,000 less fees and tax. You will earn around 120,000. So this is how you can earn in the stock market. Second is through dividends. These are simply portion of the company's profits that are given to the shareholders. For an example, you own 10,000 shares of BDO. When the company announces its dividends rights, it can either be cash dividends, stock dividends, or property dividends. But the common in the Philippines is the cash dividends. If they declared a dividend amount of 0.99 per share, since you have 10,000 shares, you will get 9,900 pesos less tax. So now that you have understand how stock market works, your next question will be, how can you start investing in the stock market? First, you need a capital of at least 1,000 or 5,000 pesos. You will need this to open an online broker account. Next is to find a broker. For your convenience, opening an online broker will be much easier and faster. There are a lot of stock brokers in the Philippines. You can check it out on our other video to check the list of brokers with minimum investment of 5,000 and lower.